At Tesla Coil, we create innovation. Our Bar Coil is a solar energy powered Tesla coil. This uniquely designed plant machine sends an array of magnetic fields along with negative ions towards your garden. Simply set up on a sunny day about 1 to 5 feet away from your plants. Just connect a flyback transformer, solar panel, and ground wire. Our patent pendant plant antenna is developed for plant cells. We also have a quartz crystal core that sends nature's scalar waves. Be part of the future. Learn more at www.teslagrow.com. Hey guys, remember this? It's my old Tesla coil. It's my old design. Secondary, primary, my antenna, my circuit board. This is my new one. That's right. It's all there. It's all flat. Antenna. This is my new secondary. That's my new primary. There's my circuit board. It's so powerful, I can't even contain it. Let me show you how powerful it is. Let's just start it up. Let's just show